Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Diman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about the different type of transducer that is related to our electrical, mechanical or chemical energy, and we will discuss the few example of these transducer, what are their types, and where we are utilizing nowadays these kind of transducer. So first of all, we'll talk about the electromagnetic transducer. So we have a several example in our day-to-day life we always face. Like the first one is antenna that convert the electromagnetic wave into electric current or vice versa. We can say that. So antenna is nothing but that convert the electromagnetic waves come from the transmitter end to receiver end and receiver end to transmitter and vice versa. And second is the CRT, that is cathode ray tube. So the best example is our television. So it will convert the electrical signal into the visual form. So we are nothing but just giving the electrical signal to our CRT or television, CRT to cathode ray tube, which convert the into visual form, like it should be a picture or it should be a video. Fluorescent lamp, that is, or light bulb, we can say that convert the electrical power into visible light. And the last is the tape head that convert the changing magnetic field into the electrical form. So these are the example of electromagnetic transducer, where the electromagnetic principle we always apply to conversion or for conversion from one form of energy into another form of energy. So here is the few example of electromagnetic transducer. So one is antenna. So you can see that the two antennas over there. So one is the sending end and another receiving end. So we are giving the supply from this transmitter side, and that is transmitted to receiver end, so vice versa. Another is the fluorescent lamp. So fluorescent lamp have the same construction. So we already say that it will convert the electrical power or into the light energy or visible light, we can say. And CRT, cathode ray tube, we will talk about the cathode ray tube. So we can see we are giving the supply from this cathode terminals, the control grid over here, to increase or decrease these electrons from this. And then anode deflecting plate over there, these are directly connect to our fluorescent screen. So this electron beam is put on this phosphor screen, and it will give the form of visualization over here. So it can be a picture, it can be a video as well. Next is the electrochemical transducer. Electrochemical transducer are based on the chemical energy basically. So these are our electronic transducer. So we are taking example of pH probe, that is nothing but an electronic instrument used to measure the pH of a liquid. So pH of liquid is related to our acidity and basicity, we can say that. So the next is our electrogalvanic fuel cell. So the term fuel cell over here states that it is an electric device used to measure the concentration of oxygen gas in a medical equipment. So for conversion of concentration of oxygen gas in electrical devices, we always use the electrochemical or electrogalvanic fuel cell. Okay, so we're giving the supply to the fuel cell, it will convert the generate the oxygen itself. So pH probe will look like this, and which is used to measure the acidity and basicity of a liquid. And this is the electrogalvanic fuel cell, which is generated to oxygen, concentrated oxygen. Next is electromechanical transducer. So here we take the example like galvanometer, and another is accelerometer. So galvanometer is an instrument for detecting and measuring the electric current. So it will be like a detector basically, and it is always put in the Wheatstone bridge at the cross arm of that. So it is an analog electromechanical transducer that produces a rotary deflection through a limited arc response to electric current flowing through the coil. So it is a rotary deflecting device basically. An accelerometer, a device for measuring the acceleration and gravity induced reaction forces. So rotary, it can be rotary, linear motor, vibration powered generators are example of this type of electromechanical transducer. So a galvanometer behave like that. So here two magnet over there, north and south, that is detected. North is connected to our positive terminal and to our negative terminal. So the needle of this pointer is connected to our meter, we can say that, or scale, which give the reading directly. So we'll give the supply this one, due to electromagnetic induction it will give the deflection of this pointer. Then another example is accelerometer. It will be look like that. So this is all about our transducers, that is related to our electromechanical, electrochemical, or electromagnetic type of principles. Thank you very much. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on transducer. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.